Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove products from Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, if you already have products added on Odoo, most likely they're going to be in your inventory if they're physical products, or in general, they're all going to be in your point of sale. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into point of sale, and from there on, you're going to navigate into your product section at the very top. Here you're going to select product again, and as you can see, you have a list of all your products right over here. I have 2 of them, and I'm going to remove this one. This product is a service, so it doesn't really have any inventory. So what you're going to do is once you enter your product, go over there near the top next to new and under products. You're going to see the name of that product you're currently manipulating. Then click on the gear icon, click delete. It's going to ask you to confirm that you want to delete it. Since it's going to be gone forever, just click delete, and that should be it. Now, if we go back into our products, as you can see, I only have 1 of them left, which is exactly what we wanted to achieve. And now that we have that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.